We're back at the Tate Modern in London, and we'll be exploring the new Turbine Hyundai commission by the Ghanaian artist Anatsui, Titans Behind the Red Moon. The installation consists of 3 hanging sculptures that are made from metal bottle tops and some other components, which were manipulated using various methods and transformed into these dynamic compositions. Merging the past with the present, the work expands upon Anatsui's fascination with the historical migration of goods and people during the transatlantic slave trade, using present-day upcycled materials from an industry built on colonial trade routes. Up close you can see the intricate craftsmanship that went into creating these pieces. From afar, a broader image emerges, revealing various symbols. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.